Meet the BYD Yangwang U7, China's all-new electric luxury sedan designed to take on the likes of the Mercedes EQS, BMW i7, and Lucid Air. With jaw-dropping performance, next-gen tech, and a design that screams future, the U7 is a bold statement from BYD's premium Yangwang brand. So what makes the Yangwang U7 a potential EV game-changer? Let's dive deep. The first thing you notice about the Yangwang U7 is its size and presence. This is a full-size electric luxury sedan, stretching over 5.3 meters long, giving it an imposing road presence. Its styling is futuristic yet elegant. The front features a smooth, aerodynamic nose with active air vents, a sleek LED light bar that runs across the front, and BYD's signature U-shaped headlights that look both aggressive and premium. The lines are sculpted for performance. With an ultra-low drag coefficient around 0.195, it rivals the most aerodynamic cars in the world. The rear has a connected taillight design, flush door handles, and a soft fastback roofline that enhances both style and airflow. Now let's talk about the real beast under the hood. The Yangwang U7 is expected to come with 4 electric motors, 1 at each wheel, just like its sibling, the Yangwang U8 SUV. This quad-motor setup delivers a combined output of around 1,000 horsepower, 735 kilowatt, making it one of the most powerful sedans in the EV market. 0 to 100 km/h, estimated at under 3 seconds. And remember, this is a full-size luxury sedan. What sets it apart is not just raw power, but independent torque vectoring for each wheel. This allows the U7 to corner with surgical precision, even enabling tank turns like the U8 SUV. Powering all this is BYD's advanced blade battery technology, rumored to be a 135 to 150 kilowatt battery pack, giving the Yangwang U7 an expected range of over 800 kilometers on the CLTC cycle. And yes, fast charging is supported. Using 800V architecture, the U7 could charge from 30% to 80% in under 20 minutes, assuming ultra-fast DC chargers. This kind of range and charging speed puts it in direct competition with Tesla's Model S and Lucid's Air Grand Touring. Step inside, and it's a world of luxury and tech. You're greeted with a massive floating OLED display, a fully digital driver cluster, and a smart passenger display. Similar to what we see in ultra-luxury EVs like the Mercedes EQS, the interior design uses sustainable materials, ambient lighting, crystal control knobs, and premium leather and suede throughout the cabin. Rear passengers are equally pampered with reclining seats, touch-screen controls, individual climate zones, and possibly even a refrigerated armrest console. A full-length panoramic glass roof makes the cabin feel airy and open. Add in a premium audio system, AI-powered voice assistant, and gesture controls, and the U7 becomes more than a car. It's a smart lounge on wheels. The Yangwang U7 is expected to come with BYD's latest autonomous driving suite, featuring LiDAR sensors, radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors all around the vehicle. BYD is reportedly integrating a system similar to God's Eye seen in other high-end models, offering Level 2+ autonomy with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic lane change, smart parking, and traffic jam assist. Software updates will be over the air, keeping your U7 constantly improving long after purchase. The BYD Yangwang U7 is a stunning showcase of what Chinese automakers are now capable of, combining hypercar-level performance, executive luxury, and world-class tech. It's bold, it's smart, and it's fast. Pricing is still under wraps, but if it undercuts European rivals while offering more features, it could be the luxury EV disruptor the world didn't see coming. So, is the Yangwang U7 the future of luxury sedans? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more epic EV reviews.